Investigating officers from the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission pounced on the Director General and Procurement Manager of the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, Antony Kilele, and Procurement Manager, Fred Ayiera, in their respective offices before arresting them. The two were later taken to Integrity Center, where they were questioned for nearly 4 hours. According to the anti-graft body, the two public officers have been accused of failing to adhere to the Public Procurement and Disposal Act of 2005. A statement from the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission says the two will take pleas on additional 2 counts of using their positions to facilitate separate irregular benefits, payments of 5.9 million shillings and 1.4 million shillings to one Samuel Ogot Baker by signing a check in favor of a company, BM Logistics, that has since been established to be non-existent. The company was purported to have provided warehouse services for storing census materials to the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics. Also to be charged is businessman Samuel Ogot Baker for fraudulently acquiring 5.9 million shillings and 1.4 million shillings from a public body on the pretext that he had, through a non-existing entity, namely BM Logistics, rendered warehouse services for the storage of census materials.
I don't want to waste a lot of time.
Both Kilele and Ayiera were released on a free bond and will be appearing in court this Thursday to answer to the charges. Thairu, Citizen Live at 9.